Onileva from the outside, rushing up Siopaw King, and racing on the outside, Mr. Universe Ballet Platz, and racing in fifth is entry number 4, Princess Kenny. And inside the last 950, Akire, Onileva, Siopaw King, Mr. Universe, and watching him for this Ballet Platz, Princess Kenny, Batang Balara, Emergency Express, Gobernador is the tail ender. And rounding the far turn, Siopaw King, Mr. Universe, Ballet Platz, poke his nose to grab the lead. Now the course of the wing has been altered with a favorite, Ballet Platz, the leader, Mr. Universe, Siopaw King, Akire, Onileva, as they race the last 350. Ballet Platz, the leader, Mr. Universe in second. Ballet Platz, Mr. Universe in second, but still Ballet Platz, Mr. Universe on the outside. Ballet Platz, and nearing the finish line. Ballet Platz, well-trained Atong Yanko second, Mr. Universe, Emergency Express, and Siopaw King,